Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss in detail about hematopoiesis. So the most immature cell in the hematopoiesis is hemocytoblast, which is otherwise called as multipotent hematopoietic stem cell. Okay, this hemocytoblast will differentiate into common myeloid progenitor and common lymphoid progenitor. So this common myeloid progenitor is going to give rise to the erythrocytes, platelets and granulocytes, okay, and also monocytes. So this is like the mother of all these cells. So this common myeloid progenitor will differentiate into rubriblast in case of erythroid lineage. Rubriblast is the most immature cell in the erythroid lineage, and this rubriblast will differentiate into prorubricite, and prorubricite is going to differentiate into polychromatophilic rubricite, and polychromatophilic rubricite will mature into metarubricite, and metarubricite will become polychromatophilic erythrocyte or reticulocyte. Reticulocyte is the precursor, like the stage before the mature erythrocyte. It is also going to have remnants of RNA. You can see these in the blood smear in case of acute blood loss or hemolytic anemia. In the erythroid lineage, the cell size decreases as the cell matures, and so does the nucleus. Nucleus shrinks as it matures, and a mature erythrocyte is devoid of nucleus. Coming to the megakaryocytosis, the first and most immature cell we have is megakaryoblast. This megakaryoblast will differentiate into promegakaryocyte, and the promegakaryocyte will become megakaryocyte. This megakaryocyte will give rise to platelets. Megakaryocyte, each and every megakaryocyte can give rise to approximately 1000 to 3000 platelets, and those bleb-like structures on the cytoplasm are otherwise called as proplatelets. These will separate from megakaryocyte cytoplasm and become the actual platelets. You can also say that cytoplasmic fragmentation of megakaryocytes will give rise to mature platelets. In thrombopoiesis, the cell size increases till the megakaryocyte stage, and the process by which the cell matures in thrombopoiesis is endomitosis, where there is only division of nucleus, but the cell remains single. On contrast, the cell size becomes bigger as the nucleus divides. Coming to the granulopoiesis, myeloblast is the most immature cell. This myeloblast will give rise to promyelocyte of basophil, neutrophil and eosinophil. This promyelocyte will give rise to myelocyte, and this myelocyte will differentiate into metamyelocyte. Only in this metamyelocyte the nuclear morphology changes, and segmentation also starts to occur, and this metamyelocyte will give rise to band cells of respective cell lineage, like basophilic bands, neutrophilic bands and eosinophilic bands, and these band cells will again give rise to the mature granulocytes such as basophil, neutrophil and eosinophil. I have drawn the species differentiation of basophil and eosinophil here. Granules start occurring in the progranulocyte stage, okay, and this is about granulopoiesis. Coming to monocytopoiesis, you have monoblast as the most immature cell, and this monoblast will give rise to promonocyte, and this promonocyte will become a mature monocyte. You can see inundations in the nucleus, and this monocyte will again divide, and it will mature and become a macrophage in the tissue. As the monocyte migrates to the tissue, it becomes macrophage, okay, and it can also become myeloid dendritic cell. And coming to the common lymphoid progenitor cell, this common lymphoid progenitor cell will give rise to lymphoblast and lymphoid dendritic cell. This lymphoblast will further differentiate and become pro-lymphocyte. This is the stage before the mature lymphocyte, and this pro-lymphocyte will again divide and become a natural killer cell and small lymphocyte. This small lymphocyte is what you see commonly in the lymph node and also in the circulation. This small lymphocyte will again differentiate into B and T lymphocyte, and again B lymphocyte will differentiate into plasma cell. As you all know, plasma cell secretes produces antibodies, okay. It is very important in antibody mediated immunity, and this is the information you need to know about lymphopoiesis. I hope this video was informative. For more such videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in a different video. Till then, take care and bye.